Hi friends, myself Devendra Singh. I'm back with new topic types of gender. In this we are going to see there are different kinds of genders are given here in the English grammar. What is exactly it is we are going to see. So if you are new for my channel, subscribe it, and for notification press bell icon. Gender. What is a gender is? Gender indicates the sex of a person, animal, bird and insect. Here you can see the male and female, but the gender is differently divided into four parts. First, the masculine gender, second, feminine gender, third, common gender, and the least one, neuter gender. Means exactly we are divided the gender in four part. First, we will see our masculine gender. What is a masculine gender is? Masculine gender is used to denote that a sex of a noun is male. Means if there is a word which denotes the sex of a noun is male, so it is a masculine gender. Here you can see and recognize it by the picture. Example: actor, author, bachelor, boy, brother, dad. These are the masculine genders. Here are some rules. Masculine gender is often applied to objects which are a symbol of strength, violence and superiority. Means हमेशा यदि हम देखें तो मैस्कुलिन जेंडर व्यक्तियों को, वृद्धों को और बच्चों को, मीन्स मेल जो होते हैं पुरुष वर्ग, उन्हें यह दर्शाता है। और मैस्कुलिन जेंडर में हमेशा हम न केवल व्यक्ति, उसके अलावा कुछ चीज़ों को भी जोड़ते हैं जिससे कि वह किसी चीज़ को, सिंबल को दर्शाएं, किसी ताकत को, स्ट्रेंथ को, किसी वॉयलेंस एंड सुपेरियरिटी को दिखाते हों। जैसे एग्जाम्पल के लिए डेथ, टाइम, विंटर, समर, द सन, fear, love. This also called as a masculine gender. Second is feminine gender. What is the feminine gender? Feminine gender is used to denote that a sex of a noun is female. If there is a noun which indicates as a female, so there is a feminine gender. What is the example is? You can see here: actress, girl, sister, lady, mother, extra. These are the feminine gender. Feminine gender is often applied to objects which are symbol of beauty, gentleness, gracefulness, fertility, softness, sweetness and weakness, extra. Means not only the name of any lady is called as a feminine gender, but the things or object, you can say, which directly is symbol of a beauty or a gentleness, gracefulness, these are all called as a feminine gender. Some examples here: the moon, the earth, spring, liberty, charity, mercy, peace, religion, spring, truth, name of any country, car, ship, and of art and sciences. These are also called as a feminine gender. Our third gender is common gender. What is a common gender is? A noun that denotes either a male or female sex is called common gender. कॉमन जेंडर में मेल भी हो सकता है, फीमेल भी हो सकता है। एग्जैक्टली कॉमन जेंडर क्या है? कॉमन जेंडर इज मोस्टली यूज्ड व्हेन वी डोंट हैव एनी इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सेक्स ऑफ नाउन। यह तब यूज़ किया जाता है जब हमें पता नहीं होता है किसी वर्ड से कि वो लेडी है या जेंट्स है, तब हम कॉमन जेंडर का यूज़ करते हैं। जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल में पेरेंट लेडी भी हो सकती है, जेंट्स भी हो सकता है। चाइल्ड कोई बच्चा है, वो लड़का भी हो सकता है, लड़की भी हो सकती है। प्यूपिल, सर्वेंट, फ्रेंड, थीफ, एनिमी, कजिन, ऑर्फन, स्टूडेंट, पर्सन, बेबी, गार्जियन, मोनार्क, इन्फेंट, ट्यूटर, इसमें से कोई भी लेडीज़ भी हो सकते हैं, जेंट्स भी हो सकते हैं। सो ऐसे समय जब वी डोंट हैव एनी इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द सेक्स ऑफ नाउन, एट दैट टाइम वी यूज कॉमन जेंडर। What is the fourth term? This is our neuter gender. What is a neuter gender is? A neuter gender means that is used to denote a non-living thing and lifeless things. ऐसी चीजें जिसमें जान ना हो और जो कि निर्जीव हो is called as a neuter gender. जैसे एग्जाम्पल में neuter means neither male or female. neuter अर्थात न मेल न फीमेल. इफ न मेल है न फीमेल है तो कॉमन भी नहीं होगा. मीन्स इट इज अ derived and separated from all three. Examples are book, pen, table, chair, radio, cloth, bus, motor, song, etc. These are the non-living things. So it is called neuter gender. You can see here the some images which denotes the exactly what is neuter gender is. If you like my video, please press like button, and if you are new for this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.